Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check app subscriptions on Android. First, tap on the Google Play Store. Next, tap on the profile button at the top right. Check to make sure that you're signed into your account. Scroll down, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Subscriptions midway down. Scroll down and you'll be able to see all of your active or inactive subscriptions. If you have an active subscription, tap on it. Scroll down, tap on Cancel Subscription, and tap Cancel Subscription if you no longer wanted that subscription. You can also tap the back arrow and then back again and see any of your old subscriptions in this list. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.